Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix the Hotmail too many request error. Let's begin. First, open your favorite browser. I am using Chrome. Once you're here, I want you to click on the three dots on the right top corner. Click on it. Then select on the settings option. Over here on the left panel, go to privacy and security, third-party cookies, then see all site data and permissions. On the search bar, just simply type Outlook. Okay. It will reveal all of the cookies related to the Outlook website. And then you can delete display data or go each individual cookies. So once you've successfully deleted this, your Outlook should now be good to go. However, just to make sure everything runs smoothly, you can disable your Chrome extensions if you have them enabled. So go ahead, do that before you try to relog into your account. Once done, you can now close everything, refresh, reload your Outlook or Hotmail. Everything should now be working as it is. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.